Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Derek Francis. First tonight at 10 o'clock, Spectrum Health has already vaccinated hundreds of its employees during its first large-scale vaccine clinic. Our Angeline McCall spoke with the hospital about how they're handling the huge responsibility of administering this vaccine right now. Angeline?
Derek, Spectrum Health confirmed to me that they had vaccinated 150 people by lunchtime today. They say they currently have more than 1,900 doses on hand that they need to administer. They also say that they're expecting 3 shipments in the upcoming days.
It really, suddenly that simple box, it was a box of hope that we hadn't had for so long.
Dr. Daryl Elmucci says it was a spiritual moment when he saw Spectrum's first vaccine shipment, calling Tuesday's larger scale vaccine clinic yet another big step in the fight against COVID.
But really this last year, helping lead this organization through our COVID response has been the most meaningful thing I've ever done.
Dr. Elmucci was in the room when the first dose was administered Monday to ICU physician Dr. Mark McClelland.
I turned to the person next to me and said, this must have been like when my parents watched Neil Armstrong step on the moon. It just felt like such an important moment. And it really, to this point, even though this has been so hard and we have so many patients in our hospitals, it finally feels like the beginning of the end.
Dr. McClelland now reporting no adverse effects.
Today, just a bit of a sore arm, similar to what you'd expect with any other vaccine, but otherwise I feel fine. I have no other symptoms right now, and I feel totally normal.
The 4 other healthcare workers reporting similar experiences, with a couple saying they have a slight headache 24 hours later, with one reporting slight chills. Dr. McClelland says he's confident in the science.
It's clearly a personal decision, but it's, I think, the right thing to do for really everybody, unless there's a medical reason not to get the vaccine.
Co-workers, even patients, are already asking him about the experience.
After several months of, fighting COVID and a lot of hard work and dedication and blood, sweat, and tears by everybody, it's really cool that there's some good news right now and some hope right now. So it's a palpable change in the mood around here now that we've rolled this out.
Spectrum eventually hopes to immunize up to 6,000 people per week, running vaccine clinics every day from 6 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. to immunize not just once, but twice with Pfizer's vaccine, a challenge necessary to take on.
And it really I feel like we've done an amazing job caring for our community, caring for our team members. And I only look forward to the next 6 months getting through it, giving everyone the vaccine, and all of us moving on to bigger and better things.
Those vaccinations are currently available at 3 of Spectrum's hospital, Butterworth, Big Rapids, and Lakeland. They say that those 3 were chosen not just because of geography, but also because of access to their 3 deep freezers and the need to keep these vaccinations ultra cold at -70 degrees Celsius. Reporting in Grand Rapids, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.